Hi, today I'm using Google Pixel 5a and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first, let's open the settings application and then tap on the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see ringtone notification volume panel, and just to change the ringtone volume, we should hold and slide to the left or to the right side this white dot on the ring volume panel. Also, we have one more way how we can do that. Just press first up or down volume button, then click here to the three dots and you'll see the same volume panels, and just to change the ringtone you should slide this dot here on the ring volume panel and then just tap to done to save all the changes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.